With the uncertainty of today's economy, one of the most popular investments that people have been taking advantage of are cryptocurrencies. Broadly defined, a cryptocurrency is virtual or digital money that usually takes the form of something like tokens or coins. A vast majority of them are entirely intangible. However, some have ventured into the physical world in the form of credit cards. As the popularity of cryptocurrencies have increased, more and more forms of them hit the market, varying in value. But, with everything going on and such a wide variety of these digital currencies to choose from, how do we know which are the best? Well, that's why we're here. Welcome to Hot Crypto Desk, and today, we will be outlining some worthy cryptocurrencies to invest in 2021. Before we start though, we are coming out with new videos all the time. So be sure you are subscribed to the channel. Also, make sure you have the notification bell selected, so that you can stay informed of when our new releases drop. Ethereum. Starting us off is Ethereum, a decentralized software platform that enables smart contracts and decentralized applications to be built and run without any downtime, fraud, control, or interference from a third party. The aim of this new cryptocurrency is to create a decentralized platform of financial products that anyone in the world can freely access. This is a huge plus for people that live in less developed countries. With Ethereum, they have access to bank accounts, loans, insurance, and a variety of other financial products. It is currently the second largest digital currency by market capitalization after Bitcoin. As of January 2021, the value per token was $1,218.59. Litecoin. Launched in 2011, Litecoin was one of the first cryptocurrencies to follow in the footsteps of Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, it has often been referred to as silver to Bitcoin's gold. It was created by Charlie Lee, who is a graduate of MIT and a former engineer for Google. Litecoin is based on an open-source global payment network that is not controlled by any central authority. Although Litecoin is similar to Bitcoin in very many ways, it has a much faster block generation rate and therefore offers a faster transaction confirmation time. Currently, the list of merchants that accept Litecoin has grown by leaps and bounds. As of January 2021, Litecoin has a market capitalization of $10.1 billion and a per token value of $153.88, which makes it the sixth largest cryptocurrency in the world. Cardano. One of the most sophisticated and secure cryptocurrencies ever created. The project was co-founded by Charles Hoskinson, one of the 5 initial founding members of the cryptocurrency Ethereum. After having some disagreements with the direction that Ethereum was taking, so, he left and helped create Cardano. The goal of Cardano is to be the world's financial operating system by establishing decentralized financial products much like Ethereum. However, it will take an additional step by providing solutions for chain interoperability, voter fraud, and legal contract tracing. Because of this, it has been dubbed Ethereum Killer. Currently, it has a market capitalization of $9.8 billion and 1 ADA trades for 31 cents. Polkadot. Here again, we have a cryptocurrency that was born out of frustration with the way Ethereum was being run. Gavin Wood is the founder of Polkadot and was one of the core founders of the Ethereum project. Out of his frustration and vast knowledge of the industry, this new cryptocurrency has become a major player in the game. Polkadot is a unique cryptocurrency that is aimed at delivering interoperability among other blockchains. Its protocol is designed to connect permissioned and non-permissioned blockchains, as well as oracles. This allows a variety of systems to work together under one roof. Where it differs from Ethereum is that rather than creating just decentralized applications, developers can create their own blockchain while using Polkadot's security. Today, Polkadot has a market capitalization of $11.2 billion and 1 trades for $12.54. What are some other cryptocurrencies that you know of and think people should invest in? Let us know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out some of our previous videos for more great content. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.